Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check if TOZO OpenEgo is fully charged. It is pretty clear. All you need to do is open the case. Once we open the case, at the bottom of the case we will see the information about the battery state of the charging case. It will display for a few seconds. And if you are interested about the level of or the percentage of battery used for the earbuds itself or themselves, then you can simply use your device that you are connecting to, let's say your smartphone, where you should have the information about the used battery. In addition to that, there is also an app made by TOZO that you can use. The app can be found in the Play Store, in the Apple Store, or anything similar to that. And as you can see over here in the app, we can also find the information about the battery on our earbuds. So that is pretty cool. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.